It's Thursday, January 15th, 2026, about 3:15 p.m. It's about 80 degrees out, maybe a little bit less out here at the university, but down in town it might even be a little bit warmer than 80. Water temps come up a little bit, 61, maybe a little warmer on the surface, 62, like that. Humidity's down around 25% or less even. So I'm at UCSB Lot 6. Camera's about 45-foot elevation. That's Mesa Lane Beach on the left at 6.5 miles. And La Conchita Beach in the background there at 22.7 miles. Got a pretty decent, close to a three-point lineup, but there's some miraging going on down there in the corner. When I say the corner, it's basically on the far left is way inside Rincon Point. You just can't see the point. See if I can get a clearer focus here. You can see it's moving around quite a bit between more mirage and less, but right there is kind of less. You can see movement on the highway there. That's about 20-foot elevation above mean sea level. And tide's still pretty low. It's probably about a 1-foot tide. Just going down the beach here, gonna loosen up the pan. And the tilt. Pretty much seeing the water surface all the way down to the far shore down there. That's kind of an interesting look right there. A little step in it, little bulge. Sometimes you get that little wavy thing where there's even some bumps where it looks like it's going higher than a three-point lineup, like right there. See that? A little bit of compression going on. So there's Hogan at 17.8 miles. The ridge on the left with the tree is 30.6 miles. And it looks pretty compressed back there, but the tree in this just left of center, I think, is 280-foot elevation with the grove to the left of it at about 320. I can't tell if with that compression if I'm seeing water all the way past the rig, but maybe I will later. Over to Conejo Mountain. Sorry. There's Houchin, 17 miles. Conejo Mountain, 51 miles, 1,800 feet. That pesky never below the horizon ridge all the way across here. There's Henry at 16.4, I believe. It looks kind of fuzzy back there, really compressed. So the ridge would be, the low spot's about dead center below Saddle Peak, 50 miles, 900 to 1,000 feet. Saddle Peak, 71.5, approximately 2789 foot elevation. And I'd love to get the focus better. Risking losing focus here. Yeah, not much better, huh? If all. Over to Hill House. There's Hill House. Compressed up top. Maybe even mirage down below, making it look taller. Let's see if I can clean that up at all. There we go. Some semblance of water well behind it there. Platform A. Platform B with a kind of a three-point lineup look. The top of the leg's about 45 feet, and then you got the far shore down there. You can see the water line behind it. There's just not enough consistent breeze across the scene there to mix up all the air. It's just hot pockets here and there. There you go. It's a three-point lineup with C and the far shore. So C is at 13.1 miles, far shore is about 30 miles. That's pretty cool. I'll head on out, look at Magoo. I'm assuming is that Magoo? Yeah. There's Magoo, just left the center. 50 miles, 1,260 foot elevation. And then seeing pretty far out here to the lowland up toward Port Hueneme, etc. I'm kind of interested to see what the upper four look like in series there. Upper four, past the ridge, everything compressed down in there, lower three. A little bit different look on Hogan now. Wow, changes quite a bit, huh guys? Then I'll go back up the coast here. Still lining up 3 points. Equal elevation, look at that center, there we go. Might have run out of time already, we'll see.